Now we turn our minds to the next category in our must-have apps series, and this is all about cloud storage. Many of you will no doubt use cloud storage apps. They're very helpful either if you need to maintain content off device because you don't have enough memory, or if you need to access things across a multitude of devices. You have a lot of options at various price points, and we're going to talk about some of the more popular services now. Austin, what do you use when it comes to cloud storage?
When it comes to cloud storage, I use OneDrive because I have the Office 365 account which I got from my office, so it gives me 1 TB of storage. And also, the best part about OneDrive is that if you are hit with the ransomware, which can happen on Windows, it gives you like 30 days, so you can restore your data from a previous version or some backup that it has. There's some ransomware protection thing that OneDrive does, and it has 30 days time where you can restore your data. So you clean your computer first, format your entire hard drive, reinstall Windows, and then restore your data from the protection.
But wait a minute. If the whole idea is that my stuff is up there on the cloud, what do I care if there's a ransomware? What does the ransomware have to do with what I'm storing up there?
You don't care. That's the thing. That's the benefit of having this stuff on the cloud. You get the protection so you can restore your data if your data gets encrypted.
Yeah, but what I'm saying though, my stuff is already up there on the cloud. So why do I need to worry about ransomware?
Because ransomware encrypts your data even though it's on the cloud. So you
So you
need that
can't have
back end
access.
protection. Yeah.
Mhm.
So are you telling me that ransomware gets to what I have stored up there in the cloud? Or are we
Yeah.
talking about locally on my computer?
No, what's on the cloud? If your computer is connected to the cloud, it's like sync. If you're signed into the account and actively syncing, then your data is also being infected. So now I'm going to demo the OneDrive Android app, which is a very simple app and there's nothing to demo in it. So now I'm going to open the OneDrive app.
Apps. Best. Phone. Photos. Pixel tips. Open camera. OneDrive. Files pivot. Selected. Refreshing. Loading.
And
Files.
it's
OneDrive.
refreshing and
Files.
loading. So now OneDrive has opened. Let me start from the top right.
Search button. Search. More action. Account switch. Search button. Search.
You have the search button to
Refreshing.
the right.
Sort by combo box. Sort by name. A to Z. Sort by combo. Search more. Account switcher. Files.
So first we
Account
have the
switcher
account
button.
switcher.
More actions.
Then we have more actions. Let's go into this.
New. Folder actions.
We can create new
Create folder actions.
folder.
Create upload button.
We can upload something from our phone, which I will show you later.
More.
And I can click on more.
Take a photo button.
So OneDrive lets you directly take a photo from within it.
Take a photo. Scan button. Refreshing.
And also lets you scan.
Create a Word document button.
You can create Word.
Create a PowerPoint. Create an Excel spread.
So you can use Office Online.
New. Folder actions.
That's all we have in more.
Button. OneDrive. More actions. Search button. Search.
Then we have the search that I said.
Sort by combo box. Sort by name.
Now you can set your sort your files.
Box. Sort by name. A to Z.
Depending on
sort by combo box.
A to Z.
Switch to tiles view button.
You can switch to tiles view, but that's not really accessible. I like this view.
List view. 2-finger swipe to refresh. Loading. Refreshing.
You can swipe to refresh, but it does it automatically after some seconds.
Folder. Attachments. 0. Attachments commands button.
And we have commands for each folder. So let's see what they are.
Attachments. Folder actions. Share button. Folder actions. Share button.
We can share the folder.
Move button.
We can move it somewhere.
Delete button.
We can delete.
Rename button.
Rename it.
Make available offline button.
And make available offline, which as Ed will show you sometime does nothing.
Off. Make offline operation. Switch. More.
And then we have more.
Details button.
You can get folder details here, properties.
Navigation bar. OneDrive. Attach. Folder. Audio plugins. 10.6
so that
gigabytes
is
January 20th.
That is all the list of folders that are available now.
Selected. Files pivot selected.
At the bottom,
Home pivot, tab. Home. Scan button.
We have
Like commands button. Folder. Scan
a
button.
button called scan to the bottom right. But then at the left
Refresh.
bottom, we have
Selected. Files. Home pivot tab.
home tab.
Home pivot. Home pivot selected. Recent files. Try it now button. Close button. Discover more about your photos with visual search. Tap a photo of a landmark, animal, or something else to learn more about it.
So this is a new feature that is coming out in OneDrive, but it is not quite useful for us, but we can learn more about that thing. So if you like to travel, you like to click photos of landscapes or some animals or something, you can use this feature.
Search button.
I don't
Search. Discover. Close button.
use it, so I'm going to close that widget.
Home. Excel document. See all button. Recent files.
So it shows you the recent files that you have opened on your computer, on your phone, on any other device that is linked to your cloud account. So let it be on any device. It will show you the recent files on your phone. You can pick the file that you want and open it.
Offline files. Tap the icon next to a
And
file
then
and select Make available offline to view it wherever you
it
go.
will show the offline files at the bottom,
Scan
but I don't
button.
have any offline files. So then we have the scan button as usual.
Selected. Home pivot selected. Tab. Scan button.
You can have the
Selected.
home pivot,
pivot selected.
pivot,
Tab. Home.
tab,
Files pivot. Tab.
file
Files.
pivot.
Shared pivot. Tab. Shared.
This will show you the files that you have shared with others and that others have shared with you. It's the shared section.
Photos pivot. Tab. Photos.
This will show you all your images.
Me pivot. Tab. Me.
This is interesting. Let's
Me
go
pivot.
here.
Me pivot. Files available offline. Settings button. Austin. Account switcher button.
This will show you all about your accounts.
Austin. OneDrive Premium. C plan button.
I have the OneDrive Premium. That means I'm using Office 365, or unless you are buying OneDrive monthly, which I would not recommend. I would recommend that you buy Office 365. At least in India, that falls cheaper because you get Office. You can, you 5 friends can make a group, put money together and buy an Office package, and then you can share that with 5 different accounts. So that will fall cheaper.
101.37 gigabytes used of 1.03 terabytes.
So it's 101 GB that I've used out of 1 TB.
Files available offline button.
And there are no files available offline.
Recycle bin button.
I can go to my recycle bin here. That's nice. And this will show me all the files that I have deleted from all the devices. So it's not only your phone.
Notifications button.
Here I can go to notifications. So let's say someone shares some file with me, or a large number of files has been deleted from my OneDrive. I will get the notifications in the notification bar also. But if you miss it, you can go here and check that out.
Settings button.
Let's go into settings.
Settings. Navigate up. Settings. Accounts. Disable. Personal. Add OneDrive for business.
So I have my personal account set up. You have a business OneDrive, you can add that here.
Options. Disabled.
And you have options.
Update offline files using Wi-Fi only.
These are the files that you have made available offline. You can update it using Wi-Fi only, but since I don't use that feature, I don't change anything here.
Camera upload on.
So it's uploading your camera.
Theme. System default.
You can set theme. I've just left system default.
Passcode off. Visual search off. Show file extensions off. Switch.
If you want, you can do this, and I'm going to turn this on.
Show file extensions off. Switch. On. Shake to send feedback on. Switch.
I'm going to turn this off.
Off.
Because it does eat up your battery, although you won't have this app like in foreground all the time. So it's better to turn this off.
Privacy and permissions.
Here you can give the app permissions that you want.
View diagnostic data.
And you can view diagnostic data.
About. Disable. Version 6. What's new? Rate this app. View help. Leave the preview. Privacy and cookie. Third-party notices. Report abuse.
So that is all in the settings tab that we have. Now to upload files,
Navigation.
it's very simple.
One. Shared
Let me
pivot.
go
Tab.
to
Files
the
pivot.
files pivot.
Files pivot. Folder. Folder. Search button.
And
Search.
let me go to
Files. Account. More actions.
more actions.
New. Folder app. Create. Upload button.
Let's click on upload.
OneDrive. Recent. Show root. Search. More option. Not checked. Images. Not checked. Not checked. Recent OneDrive. Recent file. PXL underscore 20,211,008 underscore 0620481114. MP.jpg. October 8th. 6.35 megabytes.
So this is
JPG
a
image.
test photo that I took on October 8th. I want to upload this to my OneDrive. I'll just tap on it
Files. OneDrive. More actions.
and
Search button. Sort. Scan button. Folder. Folder.
it's
Folder.
uploaded. So that is how you
Navigation.
upload your files. You can
Pixel
upload your
launcher. Home.
audio files, photos, videos, whatever you want to upload can be uploaded to OneDrive, and you can then see it across your device.
Phone.
That is it
WhatsApp.
from my demo of
WhatsApp.
OneDrive.
I use OneDrive as well, and I'll talk about a little bugbear I have with it in a minute.